Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius Air Sign. This is November weekly reading from November 16th to November 22nd. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius Air Sign. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo here. Under the deck, the Devil. Maybe you are dealing with Capricorn. Wheel of Fortune, Five of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. I think you are getting help from someone here, some financial help. Maybe new opportunity for you, new career opportunity for you. There is a lot of drama is going right now. There is some competition is going, but someone wants to help you here. Things are turning into your favor. Aquarius, Wheel of Fortune is here. But you have some fears regarding your life or regarding your relationship. Or you are feeling stuck here. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Two of Pentacles, the Emperor, and Ten of Cups. I think in recent past you were juggling. You were in some confusion, no clarity in this relationship. That's why you want to take your power back. Finally, you took your power back. You were in Emperor mode. You are very stubborn. So you don't want to make any move towards them. First move. Yeah, you want Ten of Cups happiness, but you have no clarity. That's why you took your power back. Then present Eight of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and Four of Swords. Maybe lots of you are in no con situation, or there are some issues between right now you and your person. That's why you just holding back. Then you are doing your own thing. Eight of Pentacles, you are working hard towards your goals. You're just focusing on your money. You're just focusing on your career here. And you are healing and you are taking care of yourself. Then future, the Fool, Hermit, and Four of Wands. There is stability for you, especially in career wise, and the Fool, you are taking leap of faith and going with the flow and living in the present moment, but it is happening after the transformation. The Hermit, there will be some transformation for you. Maybe for some it is major. So after going through this transformation, you will be in the full energy and you will achieve whatever you want. Stability in finances especially, and there is some celebration in your life regarding career or regarding relationship. It depends. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Four of Cups with Ten of Cups. Definitely they are missing you right now. They're feeling missed opportunity with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Okay, Nine of Swords. Cards are jumping. So many cards, that's why I'm not taking any of these. So let's see their intentions also. want clarification card for Queen of Swords. Okay. So under the deck, Nine of Cups, the World, the Star. Maybe you're dealing with under Aquarius, and King of Cups, Four of Wands. They do love you. They do love you, Aquarius. They're wishing for this connection. You are their wish fulfillment, and lots of you are in long distance relationship here. Definitely they want reconciliation with you if you are in separation. If not, they want to take this relationship to next level for sure. But their current feelings, Nine of Swords, Eight of Swords, and Eight of Cups. If they walked away in recent past, now they have regrets, or they want to leave behind everything like disputes, arguments between you and your person, and want a fresh new start, because they're losing their nights over you, Nine of Swords, and you are on their mind 24/7. They are thinking about you heavily. Overthinking is going, so that's why they want to give clarity to you. They want to communicate with you. Then their intention, Seven of Wands, Ten of Cups, and Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords clarification cards are the Hangman, Two of Cups, and Strength. Right now your person has no courage to come forward and express their feelings. That's why they're not expressing their feelings, but they won't give up on you. Definitely they want this Ten of Cups happiness with you. They will fight for your love, but right now they're not expressing, but they want to express. Yeah, they're ready to express their feelings, but right now they're feeling stuck. They know you are their soulmate, but they're stuck. That's why they're taking their time. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, they want second chances, or they want justice here. Maybe you're dealing with Libra. They want success in this relationship. Wow. And I already told you they are feeling stuck. Yeah, they're stuck on you, or they're stuck on something. They want brand new beginnings with you. Yeah, I think you're both missing each other a lot, but you finally came out of this energy and doing your own thing. You're just focusing on your stability, or you want to focus on this financial stability or independence here. Yeah, for some you have options, or you are in some confusion, but finally you are getting clarity what to do, what not to do here, because the sun focusing on your own happiness within yourself, but they're coming to offer stability, and this time your person is very serious about you, Aquarius. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yes, maybe there are some trust issues, maybe they have some fears, or you both have some fears regarding this relationship. Still, lot of drama is going here. But they're ready to offer equal give and take, but you just want to do your own thing right now. Maybe some of you decided to move from this connection. Not all of you, some of you. Some of you, you're just holding this decision and doing your own thing. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. A lot of abundance is coming. Your pure perfection and true love. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. Be bold and make the first move, Cardinal Moon. So if you want to make a first move towards something, this is the message for you. Be bold and make the first move. And confidence is your key to success, new moon in Leo. Maybe you're dealing with Leo here. Your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. So if you've done a lot of hard work, this is the message for you. Definitely right now you're getting pay results for your hard work. If not, definitely you will get results for your hard work. This is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.